6 ways narcissists compensate for their inferiority. Hi everyone, do you know someone who believes they are better than everyone else but becomes enraged at a minor rebuke? People with narcissistic personalities are adamant individuals. They tend to place blame on others. No matter how detrimental their behaviour is to others and themselves, they'll never change it. Furthermore, they are sensitive beings and respond negatively to minor critiques, arguments or perceived slights, which they see as personal attacks. So despite showing their superiority in front of others, narcissists actually often have a huge inferiority complex. They're just very good at hiding it. They have many methods in their arsenal that will make you believe whatever it is that they say. Now, let's see how narcissists compensate their inferiority. But before that, don't forget to smash that like button below, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when new content is released. 1. They seek approval and sympathy from others. Narcissists compensate for their behaviour by wearing a mask that allows them to blend their identities with others who are revered. They will employ emotional manipulation techniques to elicit pity and attention from others, regardless of the consequences for their victims. Narcissists will continually seek other people's acceptance, compassion and attention, which is exacerbated by their inferiority mentality. 2. Manipulative behaviour. Narcissists exhibit different traits, like manipulative behaviour. Initially, they will try to satisfy and impress you. They love bomb you. However, their selfish demands will always come first in the end. When it comes to their interaction with other people, they enjoy keeping people at a safe distance. This helps them to maintain control. They may even exploit others to gain something for themselves. 3. Condescending. They make a contemptuous remark that is erroneous or inaccurate. They change the subject as a way to recompose themselves. Also, they will not admit to the mistake, neither will they apologise for it, and they'll act as if the individual they just spoke ill of isn't even present. They aren't aware of it or comprehend the importance of personal limits. 4. Rage. Whenever they do not get preferential treatment, they get irritated or angry. This causes them to lash out angrily or contemptuously, or try to degrade others just to feel superior, when the fact is that they are depressed and moody because of their imperfection and secretly feel shame, insecure, defenseless, and embarrassed. If you're in a relationship with a narcissist, you might be able to relate with this the most. 5. A feeling of being entitled. Narcissists like to be specially treated because they believe that they are exceptional. They have this notion that they are entitled to whatever they want. They also expect others to comply with their every need and whim instantly. That is the only thing they are worth. They consider others who cannot meet their needs as useless. And suppose you think of disobeying their wishes or even think of asking for something in return. In that case, they respond with aggressiveness or wrath. 6. Have no feeling of guilt or shame. People with narcissistic personalities can't empathise with other people's emotions or know how to put themselves in others' position. In short, they lack empathy. They mostly see the people in their lives as things there to service their every need. As a result, they don't care about using others to further their own goals. Their interpersonal exploitation can be malevolent, but it's more often than not just oblivious. Narcissists are unconcerned about the effects of their actions on others. Even if you tell them about it, they won't completely understand. The only thing they're aware of is their requirements. They know they can't achieve a lot if they don't use others to do things for their goals. So, what's your opinion about this? I hope you can gain more insight from this video. Don't hesitate to write your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to follow our subsequent video updates. Thanks for watching.